Hello. In this today's session, we are going to understand about the SAP S/4HANA EWM RFUI radio frequency user interface enhancements. This is the brief introduction class and this is the demo class. Here I will explain you briefly few things here. So first I will explain you theoretically and I will explain you then on the board. So at runtime in the warehouse resources or workers, whenever they use the RF devices, okay, picking at the time of picking, okay, unloading time, they scan the handling units. In the more processes, okay, in the warehouse we require the RF devices. Different kind of, we have the devices, like different companies, they manufacture different types. Okay, the basic functionalities I am going to explain you today in this demo session. So how it works actually internally, today I'm going to explain you the backbone of the, very briefly in this demo of the RF screens. So the warehouse workers, for an example, we are process here inbound delivery process. Okay, so inbound delivery, so from the vendor side we receive the product in the handling unit and we are going to scan that. Okay, so in this our topic, we are going to see inbound delivery, receiving the handling unit, receiving by ASN, HU. So we are here receiving the inbound delivery by ASN. Okay, and also we are receiving the handling units. Inside we have the product. So whenever the warehouse workers, okay, they click on they scan, and whenever they press any button, okay, any button on the RF screen, so when they press the button, so button system triggers behind the standard function modules. Okay, so behind the RF screens we have the some of the function modules. That function modules or the events, okay, would be triggered, or I can say FCT code, okay, functional code, FCT code. Okay, what is FCT code? I will explain you here. Any button on the RF screen, if we have the name, just for an example, unloading, okay, or for inbound delivery, outbound delivery, okay, here we can understand the English here for an example, or the written the language, the detail on the button we have. For an example, inbound, okay, we understand. System understand the technical properties of the button. Okay, so whenever the warehouse workers, system understand the technical property of the button, okay, behind we understand the language, the detail, the description of the any button on any field, right? So whenever the warehouse workers, they press enter button, okay, at the same time, so suppose example, first we will see here, then I will explain you briefly. So we have the, here in this example I have designed 1, 2, 3 RF screens. First RF screen, when we provide the ASN number and when we press the enter button, immediately the next screen will come into the picture. How? I will explain you briefly. And when we press the enter the handling unit, product, more details, quantity, for an example, or HU details, suddenly for an example another screen will be visible. How it happens? So in the third screen we are putting the inbound delivery, product, quantity, unit of measure, like EHS, okay, depends. So how this happens? So these are the step we consider, these are the steps. So this is a step 1, this is a step 2, this is the step 3. So now suppose at runtime, the warehouse resource or worker, he entered the ASN number and he pressed the enter button or enter. At the same time, system triggers behind one of the function module, which is the /scwm rf underscore rehuas. Okay, here we can see asl underscore cell underscore pbo. Okay, when user press the enter button, then at the same time /scwm /rf underscore rehu underscore asl underscore cell as underscore pai triggers. When the user presses the button enter button, the same time behind the system /scwmrf, okay, rehu underscore asl underscore cell underscore pai function module will be called by the system. Okay, but what about this screen before entering the button? So when user going to enter this, press enter button. Before pressing this enter button, system calls one of the standard function module. The name is /scwm /rf underscore rehu underscore asl underscore cell underscore pbo. This function module getting triggered by the system. So we consider like steps. Each we can jump from one screen to another screen on the RF screen by through the custom or standard steps. It's simple. Okay, so and when we click on the press enter button, system triggers FCT code, which is the technical name of the button, any button. Suppose there is a button inbound delivery. We understand this is an inbound delivery, INBOUND DELIVERY. As a human, we understand this. System understand the technical name of the button, right? So standard, the beginning first standard screen number of the RFUI RF screen is the 104. The function group is a standard function group /scwm rf receiving HUs, because see what we are performing here, we are receiving the handling unit based on the inbound delivery and based on by the ASN numbers, ASN, right? So the standard steps, these the jumping from one screen to another screen, the jumping, the standard step name is the RHDOSL. Okay, R, here I will mention R, I will use the red pen. So standard step is the R HDOSL. This is the standard step. Okay, so we jump one screen to another. We can configure based on the, so suppose first screen, the warehouse worker, they enter the ASN number, press enter button, system call the function module /scwm rf rehu asl sel, okay, pbo, and after pressing enter pai, right? Then step, this standard step would be called RHDOSL behind the system. Then we will able to see the another screen. So suppose we put here HU details, okay, and ASN number. So this is the screen 1, screen 2, and this is the screen 3. So here system calls behind the one of the application standard structure /scwm s underscore rf underscore ADHOC, this is the structure or parameter. Same time system call one application program ADHOL. This is the global variable. So this is the customization part, development part, enhancement parts. So full end-to-end functional configurations, trainings, supports, full end-to-end in the development side, customized side. If you require anything, you may text me, you may call me, you may WhatsApp me, you may reach to me via social media. Thank you very much, guys. You can mail me. So this is the basic demo, basic brief about the screens. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you again.